Welcome to Simply Street Bikes. Today we have this 2011 CBR600RR. It has 13,600 miles on it. It's all black in color. Really nice looking bike. Doesn't have any signs of any tip over damage. Brand new tires on it, both front and rear. As far as aftermarket accessories, just have the tank protector pad there, and also has a Jardine slip-on exhaust right here. Sounds really nice. I'm going to go ahead and start it up for you. No rips or tears in the seat. Show you the exact mileage there. You can see it. There we go. 13,651 miles. Sounds really nice. There you have it. It's a 2011 Honda CBR600RR. 13,651 miles on it, all black in color with the Jardine slip-on exhaust. If you have any further questions, any more information, contact us through our website at simplystreetbikes.com, or you can go ahead and give us a phone call at 952-941-0774. This bike does come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting Simply Street Bikes.